Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and we're going to show you step by step on how to create safety netting for your scaffolding from scratch using building objects. Let's get started. This can be done on any drawing page. Quite simple to create some safety netting. All I'm going to do first is open up my tube, what I've created previously. I'll leave a link in the description regarding creating tubes. So for this one, I'm going to create, it's only going to come about 2 meters out, so I'm going to use 8-foot tubes. So I'm just going to put them in place for now. So I'll stick one here, and one here. These tubes I've created have 2 doubles already attached to them. So just bear in mind when you're creating your tube, when you're doing this project, you'll need to add in your materials either to your bill of materials or attach them to the part which is shown in the video attached. Right, I've got my 8-foot tubes on. They've already got a bit of an angle on because that's how I've saved them. For this one, I need to go into here and I need to create a bit more of an angle. Make it 2.5. Keep everything simple. Click OK. Just need to go into these and change the height of these. Starting position. I've created these already under my board lift. Okay, this will all make sense in a minute. So I'm going to keep that as my board level. And then I'm just going to change the height of these for now. Click OK. Right, and now I need a 21-foot tube to go across. So I'm going to change that now. Let me zoom in a bit. Straighten it up. Yeah, I think that's about right. Let's go into this tube now. So I need to make it back to 21 foot. Click OK. Pull that over there. So this again has 2 doubles. So I've got a double there on each tube for that one. So that I've got, in theory, I've got 2 spare doubles at the moment. So I'm happy with that. All I need to do is lift it off the page. As you can see, it's on the floor. So back into here. My end point was 2.5, so my start position needs to be 2.5 meters, end elevation 2.5 again. Click apply, click OK. So that sits it on top of my tube there. So let me take it in slightly. So I'm happy with that. I need to create another tube that sits on here. So my netting attaches to this tube and this tube. Click on the tube, hold control, see the plus sign, drag it away, and that creates the second one. So I'm going to place that there because it'll go on the side of my scaffold. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, for my netting itself, I'm going to have to create this. So I'm going to pull a beam on. I'm going to make this 21 foot. I'm going to make it straight off the floor straight away. So 2.5, same as me 21-foot tubes. 5 meters. Keep it as a box. The height, I'm going to make 10 millimeters. The width, my safety netting I've got is 2 meters wide. There's a 2 meters and a 3 meters, so depending on what you use, put the width in here. So I'm going to put my 2 meter in here. Keep everything the same. I'm going to change that to the bottom. So from my ground to the bottom of the netting, I'm going to change the colour. I'm going to have my netting blue, and then I'm going to make it a bit transparent. So I go into more colours, and in here you can change the transparency of the netting. So I'll make it a bit darker. Obviously I want it see-through so you can see my tubes underneath. Apply, click OK. So I'm happy with that. So put that in position. So if I put that there, so I'm happy with that. What I need to do now is go back into this part and reference this to a part itself. So part number, into my filter. This is a fall prevention netting, that one. So I'm going to use a 2 meter by 10 meters. Click in there, click close, choose that netting. Okay. So now, as it's low down, all I'm going to do is highlight all this. I'm going to group. Now what I can do, now I've created this, if I want to use it in other drawings, I can go into my shapes and I can choose, I'll put in accessories. So these are all my accessories, my sandbags, sole boards, base plates, all the usual. I can drag that into here, click yes, and then if I create this as a F, fall prevention safety net, and then I can drag it back out, and then I'm going to have one here, So where I want it roughly around here, about 10.5 meters. So into my building objects, reference elevation, I'm going to say 10.5 for now. Let's see where that sits. Yeah, I'm happy with that actually. I can sit on my bottom handrail, or I can send it down so my bottom tube comes off to my bottom of my board level. So if I say 10 meters, I'm happy with that. Apply, click OK, and there you go. My fan is now in position. So this includes all parts needed for creating that safety netting, and I can drag and drop into any drawing I need to create it again. So in again, all I'll have to do every time is just change the height of what I need, click OK, back into my model view, and there you go. I hope this helps. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe for more content to come.